Hey guys, that's the channel. It's Tanner Porter about another banger.
If you didn't subscribe, turn on the post notifications.
I don't know if you can hear us because Knox is watching the video.
Yeah.
A video of FGTV because I got robbed in Hawaii, and this is part 2.
Didn't mean anything because it was just some
Yeah.
person.
Like and subscribe if you know FGTV. I know how to spell it. Because I do.
Clean waffles
Yeah.
and chocolate milk.
I don't have that much, so I'm about to be done.
Yeah, but we're gonna have another one.
Yeah, there's more. Like and subscribe if you like waffles. Yeah. I haven't been trying waffles in a long time.
Yeah, I haven't had them in a while.
That's like 2020. I had waffles.
A few months ago we had them.
Months. I gave Dad a
But
shovel.
it said Miss Robinson's
Why do you have so much water?
What's up, guys? I am back.
Does anybody want more?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Why are you
Mom
talking?
says the syrup. The next waffle's coming up.
That's mine.
Not the monster boogie.
Hey, Ken, does he not care about me? Because he gave me an Alabama cup.
You're weird.
He does care about you.
Thank you, Keith.
Well, of course he does. He's your
No, Kanan said, no, Keaton
He's your
said he
dad.
doesn't. Keith said he doesn't.
Gavin?
I was like, that's not a waffle.
Gavin?
That's a pancake.
Yeah, Gavin gave it to me, but then Dad gave it to me when I was drinking chocolate milk. Ken said that was mine, and then didn't give it.
It's so mean.
So it's for Dad and I.
Kid, have the syrup. After you're
I
done.
still have lots of syrup on my plate.
I don't have that much. Look, it's Sullivan. It's Sullivan and Santa. It's Sully and Santa.
Wishing you and your family very Merry Christmas. May God bless you in the new year.
And this is Sullivan.
Merry Christmas. The Pooh Shaker.
Look, it's Sullivan. Sullivan with Santa.
Sullivan!
When I first saw that Sullivan with Santa, I was like, yeah, Sullivan with Santa.
Yes. That is way too much
Jaden
syrup.
Daniels wins Heisman. Yeah, he won.
How does he make waffles so quick? Like, he makes them like 5 seconds.
I know because they go in the toaster.
You mean the waffle maker?
Yeah.
Watching SEC. I've been watching it a few times.
Hold on, I just got the report.
That's an amazing play. Yeah, I don't know how you kept that clean. No, when we got to drive, we didn't score. No, when we got to fourth down, Mama said, it's over. We lost. They're just too good.
Why would she say that?
I have no idea. Literally, I'm like, I literally said, Mama, it's the first quarter.
Okay, relax. 0.
Get him! Get him! I'm just kidding, I already know.
Yeah, they scored on like the second.
Yeah, they scored this.
Like the second drive.
Yeah.
We didn't score the first two. And that don't even matter.
No,
We're still doing
they didn't score the second drive. They only scored their first drive. They scored their first drive, then they missed a 50-yard field goal. And then we got a touchdown.
So much. Invisible string. Metal.
That's the. Have another pancake, please.
Sure.
But Dada, the one that you gave to Keaton, Kaden said, no, when you said, I'm going to go get another waffle, and Kaden said, that's mine. And then when you gave it to Keaton, he did this. Go Bama. I'm good.
I'm good.
I just want to have more chocolate.
You good, kid? Oh, please don't say that, bro. Here's a dookie of me.
Oh yeah, I forgot. When Ian drops his iPad, the case comes off.
Really? It comes off? He's
Almost picked off.
yeah, Guri.
On
4 times.
more.
Guri, 4 times in that game they almost picked it off and they never did. Guri, 4 times. This is 4 times. That's so weird. In one, Guri one was literally going to his hand and literally just like, boom, it was just done. Like, Guri, 4 times.
Yeah, guys.
I still can't believe how he broke that tackle. I mean, I still can't believe how
He did a good play right there.
he really did.
Not right there, man.
Third and 5. I thought it was 3rd and 5. No, I got so much correct that time. I got so much correct. No, we scored our second drive. It was just a field goal. Just 533 career points. Will is really good.
4th down. Sit down, Pete.
No,
Yeah, guys.
no, but
He did.
Hamilton must keep saying this. Sit down when Carson backed that tackle. TCU was doing really good, but of course they had to
Sit
lose
down.
in the championship.
Like we are. Sit down. Did you get
Oh, broke his ankles!
Yeah.
Broke his ankles! Yeah, that's face.
I got just a little bit.
No, he literally broke his ankles. But it's so funny how he broke his ankles, broke his ankles. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, that's Annie. Yeah, that's Baba.
I'm Petey. That's Sissy. That's what he calls our names.
Yeah? That's Bubba. That's Bubba. Ew. Oh, burp. Smells so bad. I really don't like dark waffles. It smells horrible. I Oh, this is when they get their field goal. This is when they miss their field goal.
You done, Peter?
Yeah.
Or are you done?
No, not yet. I'm
Why
gonna
did
eat one
Carson
more.
Beck just
You want another
stick right
one?
there?
You done, Biff? Or you want
I
another
still
one?
don't know how
I'm
Carson
done.
Beckler felt right there.
Hey, stop.
I'm
What are you
done.
doing?
Sit down, Carson Beck. And then it's 45, and then it comes to a flag on Georgia, so it goes to 50, and they miss. Kirby Smart is mad. Yeah, bro, why would they do it at a 50-yard field goal?
I'm back.
Oh my god. Look, Jameson Burton had it. Literally, it just slid. Jameson Burton had it. Jermaine Burton had it.
to say, what the
Feel weird. I don't know why. Jameson.
Me and 40
Jameson
other
Williams.
coffers.
There's one thing where Jameson Williams
We
and
like to
Jermaine
cough.
Burton together.
We don't like
Jameson
to.
Burton.
We just cough.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah, we cough like all the time now.
Jermaine.
Because we have a bad cough.
Jermaine.
Kick was that?
First time.
I have the baddest cough in the family.
Bud.
No.
I have the baddest cough in our family. I have a really bad cough.
You're such a nutty, like a
You brother
buddy,
here.
tutty, putty, like a nutty.
He's so weird. Why are you saying that?
Wait, are y'all
Like,
filming?
subscribe if you heard that.
Are y'all filming?
What a catch on his air barn. Use him.
He's him.
Oh yeah,
That-
sure. It's still good.
Done with
Right.
this.
What is that in the You stupid computer! I hate you. Why did I go down so fast? So stupid! I hate you, computer. You're stupid. Can I watch it with you? Get his tail. I'd say second.
Hi, y'all. You need to go to the bathroom.
That was like 39.
35, I'd say. 35,
Wait, is that your second waffle?
No waffle.
Whatever.
Yeah,
They'll lose it the same thing.
yeah, that's my second waffle.
Shut up. What is in the bathroom? Pizza. Sorry, just
Why are you laughing?
I'm cold. I'm cold, okay?
Why are you laughing?
Oops. Jeez Louise!
Do you guys want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, we can play hide and seek.
We played walkie talkie hide and seek yesterday.
But
Yeah.
we are going to
Play
stop this video because it'll be too long.
Yeah.
And we're gonna post this video, and then we're gonna film a separate video for your hide and seek.
Yeah.
We're gonna do part 2.
Keenan Knox's gaming. Keenan Knox's gaming is also gonna post a video of hide and seek, so go check that out.
Guys, that's gonna be part 2 of eating waffles for breakfast. That's gonna be part 2.
Yeah, kind of. So, bye guys. Always remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and